Hello, today's topic is the slope floors. Example 1. To create an accessible ramp in a sidewalk. Firstly, we need to create our sidewalk floor, which is this one. In the street level floor plan, its type is generic 12 inches, so edit type, duplicate, name it sidewalk. Okay, and in the structure, edit and change its thickness to be, for example, 0.6 meter, and check variable. It is important to check variable, or else we will not be able to create that accessible ramp. But what is meant by variable? Variable means that the floor can have variable thicknesses but keep the bottom side level of that floor intact. Then we select our sidewalk floor type, this one, and modify sub-element. Now we are going to define the boundary of our ramp. For example, we add split line. For example, this is the boundary of my accessible ramp. Another add split line. Another one here. Then we select our sidewalk floor, go again modify sub-element, and since our sidewalk thickness is 0.6 meter, we need these 2 points to change their elevation into minus 0.6 meter and keep other points 0, 0. It means we are not going to change their elevation. So we click on that point, change to be minus 0.6. Also, this one needs to be changed to minus 0.6. Go to our 3D view. Now, these 2 points, we changed their elevation into minus 0.6, where we keep these points as they are. And here is our accessible ramp to our sidewalk. Another example for the slope floor is when creating slopes in a flat roofs or floors for the purpose of rainstorm management. To do that, we select our floor roof slab, go edit type, and then duplicate, name it roof, example 4. Okay, now go edit. We might need to insert a layer. I will specify its function to be finish. Also, I will make its thickness to be, for example, 0.3 or 0.2 meter. I will change its structural layer into 0.2 meter. Very important to check the variable of my finish layer and keep the structural layer not checked. It means I don't want to add different thicknesses to my structural layer. And by checking the variable of the finish layer, this means that that layer of finish will have different thicknesses, while its bottom side will remain as it is without any change. Then okay, apply okay. We go to our roof floor plan, and if we assume that our clean out point or the drainage point is here, so we need to select and filter check none, only keep floors. Apply OK. Then modify sub-element. In our case, we need to add points. For example, here. And finally, this point. And then change the elevation to be minus 0.1 meter. Also, this is to be minus 0.1 meter. And this point to be minus 0.2 meter. Now we get our slopes for rainstorm management. Finally, how to create sloped floor, which means that the top and bottom sides of the floor would get sloped, tilted, inclined. For instance, I created that floor at the ground level. If I double click and then go to slope arrow, this is the tail of the arrow and this is the head. From the properties, we can see that the height offset at the tail is 0.3 meter, and of course I can change it. And the level at the head here is default. Finish edit mode. This is what I meant by inclined or sloped floor as a whole. And this is the height at the tail, and this is with the height default, which is level ground. By this, we come to the end of our topic today. Please like this video if you find it helpful.